Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, all of you. Welcome to all take your what make a sentence website once again. Which what I can take today? Yes, believe. Excuse me, dear bro. Sarwar, do you believe yourself? Yes, I believe myself. If you believe, if you believe yourself, just carry on. If you don't believe yourself, you won't be successful in your life. Because belief is a perfect thing for everyone. That's why I'm telling you. If you wanna be success in life, at first you have to believe yourself. Okay, dear bro, I believe myself perfectly, but I'm trying. Sometimes I got hesitate and bad thing. When I will be when I will be able to do something, after that I will believe myself. No, bro, you have to believe yourself current time because you are doing well. You have to you have to believe yourself current time. Okay, from today, not only from today, present time, from present time I will believe myself perfectly. Okay, that's good. And please pray for me. You don't have to ask me. I always pray for you, and not only you who are they want to success in their life. I always pray for them. And please don't stop, just carry on. Day by day you have to learn. Yes, I believe it, and I will remember your advice as much as I need. Okay, best of luck, and same to you. And I'm really happy to talk to with you because you are a good person, and I know I have to follow you. If I follow you and if I remember your suggestion, after that it will be very good for me. And please pray for me. I will try to remember your advice, and not only you, most of the people inspiring me. It's a very achievement for me. That's why I'm trying to every single day. And those are watching my videos, please write down something. What should I do now, and how I am doing. If you write down something, my work will be perfect for me. And I also try to inspire anyone. I know it also my duty or responsibility. If I take my responsibility, it will be very good job for us. And dear brothers and sisters, i'm really I'm really happy because uh, because I'm getting inspired from everyone. It's a very opportunity for me, and I wish you every success. And please forgive me if I have made a mistake. And man is mistake, man is mortal. I know. Best wishes for everyone.